What is going on, friends and fans? Ryan Dohrn here, and we're talking sales and marketing strategy. Today, specifically, we're talking about your prospecting email templates. Now, in a previous video, we talked about the perfect time to send those emails. Now we're talking about the perfect format in your prospecting emails. So what I like to do is follow a 3 and 3 format. 3 words in the subject line, 3 sentences in the email. Now, what are the 3 sentences? The first sentence is going to be social proof. Second sentence is going to be your value proposition, what you're bringing to the meeting. And then the third is going to be your ask. Okay, so this is how it might look. Sentence 1 would be social proof. Hi, Bob. We're working with Company A, Company B, and Company C. They're seeing great results. Social proof. Second sentence would be the value you're going to bring if Bob will meet with you. Bob, we've got some great ideas to leverage what we've learned from others to help you be successful too. Now, I might want to name a specific product or service that they offer in that second sentence. Then the third is going to be your ask. Now, what I do not do is ask for a specific time of day. I think that's wrong, and it has not worked since like 1986 when it was first taught. Instead, I either give them a link to my calendar to book the meeting, or I give them a range. Would Tuesday or Wednesday after 2 p.m. work better for you? What I've found is the more specific you are, the less response I get, because the answer is going to be, I can't meet Tuesday at 2. So I like to give them a range. So again, the 3 sentences are social proof, value, and your ask. Go back to the previous video to figure out the send times. And just remember, friends, an email strategy perspective, okay, in email land, the shorter the email is, the better your chances of getting an open and a reply. Hey, love to reach out. Reach out to me if you'd like me to speak to your sales team. Come and talk to your team at your office or whatever the circumstance is. RyanDohrn.com is the website. All right, we'll see you next week.